Alright, this is going to be the maiden flight of the FT or flight test baby blender. It's a biplane. It's made out of same old Dollar Tree foam board as my last jet was. And you can see it's windy. The wind's blowing this thing all over. I've been telling myself all day, don't fly it, it's too windy, don't fly it. But like always, I don't listen to myself. So we'll see what happens. It's very windy. We'll plug the battery in and I'll play around with it. You know, a little bit of speed and see how it feels. You know, maybe take it off the ground at 6 inches at a time or so. And if it looks okay, we'll go ahead and bring her up. So let's get it plugged in here. Turn the controller on, plug in this guy. Alright, well, we bound anyhow. Hook these wires up in here. Okay, so let's check. Flip this guy around here. Originally, they designed this thing as a 4-channel, but I'm more of a bank and yank kind of flyer. Even my big expensive 4-channel RC that I learned to fly on, I rarely ever used the rudder. I just flew it 3-channel, just bank, yank back on the elevator. So, you know, they designed this thing as a 4-channel, but I decided not to put the rudder on because, as it is, I don't fly with it anyhow. So, let's check elevator. Elevator up, elevator down. Left bank, right bank. I've got this thing set as far as throws go. Probably about 50% on both. So we'll arm the throttle here. Give it a throttle test. Alright. Well, guess there's no point in stalling. Let's put the helmet cam on and see if we can't crash this thing. Oh, it is windy. Well, that didn't work out so good. Try it again. Yeah, the wind just keeps blowing the dang thing over. Oh. It is way too windy. I probably should not even attempt this today. Well, that's the end of that motor mount, prop, and a few other things. Guess it's back to home and back to the drawing board. Whoops. Oh well. I guess if you don't crash, you're not really flying.